3 simple tips and tricks on how to use hypnosis in everyday life. Self-hypnosis is a powerful tool to help you relax and create change in your life in many areas. As you practice, you may find yourself more in control and find difficult tasks much easier. Let's get into it. Number 1, monitor your breathing. Learn how to take long, deep, slow breaths that fill your abdomen. This can help your body drift off into the relaxed state of hypnosis. Number 2, practice progressive relaxation. Just practice relaxing all of your muscles from the top of your head, going slowly all the way down your body to your toes, and you will find you could probably just drift off to sleep very gently. Number 3, experiment with guided imagery. Guided imagery is an important part of hypnosis. This involves visualizing a preferred outcome, such as increased confidence.
DM us or comment below for our free Hypnosis Audio for Confidence.